What's going on, everybody? Today we got a new knife from Off Grid Knives. It is the Viper. Okay, so let's see. Get this thing opened up here. They've been kind of a hard knife to get. I've been looking at them for a while, and they've been kind of out of stock. I guess they've been having problems getting steel for their knives. So a little booklet and your sticker. They are no longer using K110, which they were using, so they moved to D2, Cryo D2, I believe. So, okay, so yeah. Pretty nice. It's G10 scales. Yeah, not too bad. I like a little bit more of a pointier Tanto instead of a rounded Tanto. But I like the grooves up here. That's interesting. I like it, even though they're not necessarily usable for anything. But I like it when sometimes they throw a pattern in that actually gives you some visual appearance. It may not be useful for anything else because it doesn't work as jimping. It's too low. You can feel it, but very slightly. But overall, the knife feels good in hand. Feels very medium size, slim hand. It feels good in hand. Yeah, you lock up about 20-30%. Slightly sticky there, but not too bad. Yeah, it's got a nice action. And this knife does have a lock for your for your liner lock. So yeah, I guess it puts it in enough of a spot. I was seeing a gap there. You can kind of see a gap there, and I was kind of like, doesn't look like it moves too far, but I guess it moves just enough in the spot to prevent it from coming off. So coming off the back of the blade. So not bad if you care to use that. I've never tested to see how rugged any of these types of locks are, so. But anyway, yeah, I've got tip up, left to right hand, recessed pocket screws, nice deep carry. It's a nice texture. Feels good in the hand. And the action opening is very nice. No wiggle, up or down, side to side. Closing action's pretty good as it should be. Lineup looks good. Yeah, looks good. The flipping action is very nice. Can't shake it open, that's good. Yeah, no detent lash or anything like that. So, yeah, I wanted to take a look at these. Like I said, I prefer a little more aggressive Tanto. Personally, this is, to me, when they're rounded off like this is sometimes, to me, that's just the companies that are afraid to go full-born American Tanto, and you take that as you will. I prefer a hardcore Tanto versus dancing around whether something is a Tanto or not, because they're afraid of not selling too many. But to each his own on that one. But so I decided to take a look at it anyway, give it a fair chance. Like I said, it feels good in the hand. They are popular knives. They do sell pretty good. They do sell out quite often. So what was it? Yeah, some of these your description. So yeah, so there you guys go. That is the Off Grid's Knife Viper in D2 now. It's Cryo D2. So like I said, they were having a hard time getting the K110, so they moved to Cryo D2, which is a much more easy accessible steel. And this knife is $67. So this knife in D2, being a fairly good size knife, it's not a bad price for a D2 knife of this size. So there you guys go. Have a great day. We'll catch you on the next one.